What's going on, bro? Welcome to a brand new YouTube video. Right now we are tapping in at the supermarket because we're prepping for Father's Day, which is tomorrow. Anyways, we came down to Pico Rivera and it's our first time to this specific location, El Super. So we're gonna check it out and we're gonna tap in right after. Alright, so we just arrived home and it is hot. I think summer just started this past Thursday, if I'm not mistaken, and if not, it's coming up. But anyways, we just got home. We got some doubles cheeseburger. Check it out. So we got a cheeseburger right here, some fries, some jalapenos, and some Sprite. So we're gonna get this started. So I haven't had a doubles burger before, but I've had doubles like years ago, more like about 10 years ago. So I miss this. Alright, so I know I'm a little bit late, but anyways, we're cooking, and you know, cool thing is I'm Chef Manny. But anyways, right now we have the meat right here. So we got, let me show you, beef, pork, and chicken. And so we got all the quesadillas, the cheese over here, tortillas, and we got the, you know, the everything, the cook, the stove right here, and we got some cake. And right here we got the cake. We got Portos, fruit flavored cookie cake. Alright, so we definitely can't celebrate Father's Day without the beer. So they brought some micheladas, and we're gonna get a mango flavored one. So we're gonna check this out. So surprisingly, they have pineapple, mango, watermelon, and lime. And I've only tried the pineapple one, so today we're gonna try out the mango. Alright, moment of truth. Oh, it's really good. Morning everyone. So this is where I'm gonna wrap up the video, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed that Father's Day cooking. Those tacos were delicious, and also try out, if you're 21 and older, the Modelo Michelada. It was pretty good. So far I've only tried the pineapple, lime, mango micheladas, not the watermelon. But anyways, smash the thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video, because if not, I'm gonna be mad, bro.